Hey, I'm Skylar. One of the first things I recommend every new iPhone customer do is install Find My iPhone from the App Store. Once you've created an Apple ID and signed into this app, you can find your iPhone, you can find iPad, anything that's connected to Wi-Fi or 3G and signed in with the same Apple ID. Pretty handy. You can also log into iCloud.com and find your iPhone using the built-in web app. So I'm just going to press my home button and slide to unlock. Then navigate to the app and sign in so that you can see what it looks like. It's locating my phone right now, and it's also located my iPad. So if I were away from my phone, say logged into this same app on my iPad, I would see the phone here, and I'd be able to tap on it and see its location. If I wanted to, I could place it into lost mode, I could make it play a sound, I could erase the whole thing. You can do a lot. So if you've lost your iPad or you think maybe it grew legs, you can get it back using this app. Good luck! I'm Skylar. Thanks for watching.